If you have a hole in your jeans, don't throw them away. Use this fun darning method to fix the hole and add some uniqueness to your look. You'll need a needle that easily passes through the denim, a pair of scissors, and any threads you have lying around, preferably embroidery floss or ultrafine yarn. It's really up to you what thread and method you use, which is what makes visible mending so fun. You'll also need an embroidery hoop or darning mushroom to anchor your fabric. Put this around the worn area. I'm using a method called English darning, and this is my first time trying it out. Start your stitch like so, about 1 centimeter below the worn area. Do a running stitch until you hit the damaged part, skip over the damaged part, and then do another running stitch, stopping at about 1 centimeter above the worn area. Make a horizontal stitch to start another column right up next to the first one, and repeat the process until you get to the end. Whenever you run out of thread, just leave a tail at least 4 inches long and pick up right where you left off. Try to keep your vertical threads pulled tight and very close together. For the horizontal rows, start the same way by beginning a running stitch about 1 centimeter outside the worn area. Then, weave the thread through the columns, picking up threads from the jeans along the way. This green thread that I'm using is 6 layers of regular sewing thread, all cut to equal length. You can get creative with what thread you use based on what you have on hand. it's time to clean up the tails. Thread each one through the needle and push it through to the back. You can either do a French knot or pull the individual threads apart and knot them together like I'm doing here. Once you have them all tied, you're done. If you enjoyed this mending project, you'll also enjoy this tutorial on mending bleach stains. Thanks for watching!